Hello everyone. So today we're going to be reviewing the Kirkland Signature Cauliflower Crust Pizza. This is a 2-pack from Costco, gluten-free, and it comes with a combination of meats and veggies. So pepperoni, sausage, vegetables, and a cheese blend. If we look at the back itself, we see all the information that we need in order to be able to make it and to understand it. The pizza itself is a cauliflower pizza, so its calorie count is a whole lot less than your standard pizza and lower in fat as well. Now, as for the cooking instructions, you'll see right here in the bottom right hand corner, basically says to preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and to make sure that you place the pizza directly on the center oven rack and bake for 17 to 19 minutes. Now, basically that idea comes with you being able to then put it on something that you're able to kind of um, actually cook it on. So just keep that in mind. And for, again, it says at the bottom for food safety and quality, the pizza itself should be heated up to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. You can check this with a general thermometer to be able to make sure that it functions. Now, even though it says a conventional oven here, what I'm looking for is that I'm going to actually be using one of my toaster ovens. So right here. And the thing I like about this one is that I'm able to set it to the designated area. I know it, like I can move my little knob right here and be able to set it to bake and set my timer on to set it on the appropriate time for the pizza to be able to cook. So while that preheats, I'm able to then actually look at the box itself. It comes with two pizzas that look exactly like this. Again, standard regular looking pizza that has its veggies and meats on top. The only thing that I do have to note is that even though it looks like a regular pizza, it actually tastes a whole lot better than some of the other ones that you find in store. Now, I made a mistake earlier and my little toaster oven actually runs hotter, so I did have to lower the temperature after I burned the first one because there are two pizzas that come in the box. So at least I had a second chance to do this. So in my case, remember it said heating might vary depending on the object that you have. The second one came out a whole lot better. So as you can see right here, I kind of followed the instructions directly. It said center rack, but you might want to have something to actually put it on because that is a huge mistake. But believe it or not, it actually looks like what it sees on the box itself, meaning that it actually has all the meats and veggies and stuff, and it looks like a regular pizza and it tastes delicious. So 10 out of 10 for me, highly recommend it if you're looking for something a little bit healthier, but still don't want to sacrifice flavor for it. So enjoy.